Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poster in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here in the Canva app it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we can select one that we want to work on, or we can in the bottom bar press the plus icon. And from this list that is presented for us, we find the poster entry. If we tap on this, the Canva app is going to load a bit, and then we get the poster format. Then the app is going to show us some templates, some styles that we can apply, and after that we can start creating. We can also change the size, the measurements from imperial to centimeters, but that's for another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.